Hi Kaiser, BF ng lahat. Happy birthday and I miss you so much. I love you.
Ba't to? Nagpapabati pa. Parang kala mo sobrang gwapo niya. Happy birthday, te.
Happy birthday, Pogi! Birthday na naman yun. miss na kita. Banta next time, please. Sige na. Ayaw mo. Luwag. Love you.
Hi Kaiser, happy birthday. I miss you. Let's bond soon. Not a reveal. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Kaiser! Enjoy your day. Tama na pag-iing pakarat na. Chares.
Happy birthday, Ashko. Sorry I can't make it there sa birthday celebration nyo. Niyaya ko ni Haya Pot. Kaso nga lang, may work na ang ate mo. Anyway, city treat na lang kita kapag para sa may free time. Yun lang. Enjoy. Love lots.
Happy birthday! Sana marami ka pang paycheck na magawa. Then sana palagi kang maging main character sa buhay. Kasi sarap yung magagawa natin. Sana mas marami ka pang pera na makana. Tsaka sana maging masarap ka everyday. Well, masarap ka naman, pero sana maging masarap ka pa rin. Andito lang kaming Kanyedo Clan para mabuisit sa'yo. Love you, B. Yak!
Hi, Ashley. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
So, hello Kaiser, this is Uno, binabati ka, happy birthday and wish you all the best, enjoy your day and mag-ingat ka palagi and I hope see you soon.
Happy birthday Kaiser and enjoy ka lang sa birthday mo. I love you. I miss you now.
Hi Kaiser, happy birthday. I miss you and enjoy your special day today.
Happy birthday, Kaiser. I wish you all the best and I hope to see you soon and stay masarap lang and God bless. I love you, be.
Happy birthday Kaiser and I love you so much and I know magiging successful ka in the future and kapag nangyari na yun, isa ka sa gusto kong makasama. Makapag-travel sa iba't ibang bansa and lalo sa Spain. Love you so much, be.
Lang, happy birthday, Kaiser. Sana lumigaya ang buhay mo at more Bayola to come na nag-iisa kang Bayola sa PC. Happy birthday. Love you so much.
Happy birthday, Kaiser! Bestie!
Happy birthday to the Kaiser! We love you!
Happy birthday, Kuya. Study hard. For the better future of you. Ayun bang. Happy birthday.